Hey, I'm Big Jeff coming to you with the next giveaway. This is the 5K giveaway. Every 1,000 subscribers, I said we were going to do a giveaway each week, and we're doing it. And I got to make them better and better. So, this week's giveaway is going to be a Sundown. Big shout out to Sundown. We're so happy to be a distributor and online seller for them. We're giving away a U15 Dual 2. So we're going to wire that down to 1 ohm, and we're going to match that with a Sundown SAZ 1500D. Perfect match, 1500 watts, 1500 watts. Get a box and some wire, and you have an awesome system. So 5K giveaway starts now for a U15 from Sundown and the SAZ 1500D. How do you win? You take this video. I need you to like it. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get these updates. And I want you to comment your name, where you're located, and why you should win. That's how easy it is. And then finally, share. For us to keep doing these giveaways, we got to bring in more subscribers, more customers to the Big Jeff platform. I appreciate it. It's all because of you, everyone out there. Share it. So this week's 5K giveaway, we're going to do the announcement next Saturday. It's going to be for a Sundown U15 and a 1500 watt amp. That's awesome. So leave your comment now, your name, location, and why you should win. Then I want to make sure you are subscribed and you click the bell and then share it. And then we'll be back here next Saturday to give that away. And guess what? We're already ready for the 6K. So I'll see you soon. Good luck.